As you guys might remember, we did this video on a Tesla where we installed iBox springs. We're gonna be messing around with the new 2020 Tesla Model 3. We've done the iBox Pro Kit lowering the Tesla Model 3. Car sat nice, but you kept on saying in the comments it needs more low. So we've delivered. We just installed the BC Racing BR Series coilovers on this Model 3. So how does this perform compared to the iBox springs? Anytime you have a coilover and you can get that thing perfectly adjusted, the handling will greatly improve because you have a spring working with the strut. They're designed and married together. And with the BR Series coilovers, you have 30-way adjustable dampening. That's rebound and compression combined. So you can make the shock harder or stiffer depending on how you want the ride. So when you're driving the new Model 3 here with the BC Racing coilovers, this thing is way more planted, feels dialed with its over and understeer. Overall, a great improvement for those wanting to spend the extra money on a coilover system. Let's talk about how this thing looks because it looks incredible. Everything has a perfect stance. The new coilovers make it sit just right because we are able to adjust the ride height per corner. And the carbon fiber aero package from Vivid Racing is stunning on the Model 3. Now let's see how this thing looks rolling down the street. Hope you guys enjoyed that. The thing looks awesome with these new BC Racing coilovers. Great upgrade for the Tesla Model 3. So as always, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment for anything that you think we should do else to this Model 3. And of course, we'll see you at the next one.